Hey everyone. Welcome back to my FlowFit DIY channel. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, choosing the right faucet can make a huge difference. A good kitchen faucet should be stylish, durable, and practical enough to handle everyday tasks with ease. With so many options available, finding the perfect one can be overwhelming. That's why we've rounded up 6 of the best kitchen faucets that offer great performance, smart features, and excellent value for money. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. Now let's get started. 1. The Funime Dual Control Tap, Best Quirky Design. First up, let's talk about the Funime Dual Control Tap. If you love a unique, modern aesthetic, this one is a serious eye-catcher. It features a solid brass build, a polished chrome finish, and a really distinct triangular base that instantly upgrades your sink's look. It uses dual lever controls so you can dial in the perfect temperature and water pressure. Plus, the built-in spout aerator does a fantastic job of saving water without sacrificing performance. It's got a high gooseneck arch, perfect for filling up deep pots or tall kettles, and a full 360-degree swivel that works brilliantly for both single and double sinks. Inside, it uses premium ceramic disc cartridges to guarantee a leak-free experience. Keep in mind, this tap is on the more compact side, so it might look a bit small on massive farmhouse sinks, and the dual handle mechanism requires a slightly gentler touch than heavy-duty industrial models. 2. The Grohe BauLoop Mixer, Best Overall Quality. Next on our list is a heavy hitter from a brand everyone trusts, the Grohe BauLoop High-Quality Tap. Grohe is famous for engineering premium sanitary fittings, and this model absolutely lives up to the reputation. It features a stunning high-arc design and a solid metal lever handle. It's coated in Grohe's signature Starlight chrome finish, which means it resists scratches and retains its mirror-like shine for years. But the real selling point is on the inside. It features completely separated internal waterways, ensuring your drinking water never comes into contact with lead or nickel. It offers a silky smooth 360-degree swivel and is incredibly easy to install without needing an entire toolbox. Keep in mind, if you are installing this in the UK, you will likely need to grab a quick adapter to match standard UK pipe sizing. Also, the printed instructions are a bit bare bones, so watching a quick online tutorial before you start will save you some headaches. 3. The Heleba Dual Function Tap, Best Flex Hose. If you want total flexibility at the sink, the Heleba Dual Function Tap is our top recommendation. What sets this solid brass, chrome finish tap apart is its integrated matte black silicone hose. It's incredibly flexible, allowing you to pull it down and maneuver it into every corner of your sink to blast away food residue. Right on the spray head, there's a convenient toggle button that lets you instantly switch between a steady and a powerful wide spray. It also includes an aerator to cut down on your water bill. Combined with a 360-degree swivel base, it's a powerhouse for multi-basin sinks. Keep in mind, because of the pull-down design, it can be a little tricky to manage, entirely single-handed if your hands are full. It also performs best with solid water pressure, so it might not be ideal for low-pressure, gravity-fed water systems. 4. The Hapilife Single Lever Chrome Tap, Best Budget Pick. For anyone keeping an eye on their wallet or looking for a sleek, reliable replacement, the Hapilife Single Lever Chrome Tap is our ultimate value pick. Despite the budget-friendly price, its high-shine polished chrome finish gives it the premium look of a high-end designer model. The single-handle design is super intuitive, allowing you to control both temperature and flow with one quick movement. It swivels a full 360 degrees to accommodate different sink shapes and relies on durable ceramic discs to prevent annoying drips. Keep in mind, the installation guide could definitely use an upgrade, so give yourself some extra time to figure out the layout if you're taking it on as a DIY project. The handle mechanism can also feel a bit stiff right out of the box until it gets broken in. 5. The Appaso Matte Black Tap, Best Modern Aesthetics. If you're aiming for a sleek, contemporary kitchen vibe, the Appaso Matte Black Tap is an absolute showstopper. Built from solid brass, it features a beautiful matte black finish that is specially engineered to resist fingerprints and water spots, meaning you spend way less time wiping it down. It boasts an ergonomic single handle and a high-arc spout that makes filling large pots effortless. The standout feature here is the 3-function pull-out spray head. You can stream, spray, or completely pause the water flow mid-task, which is incredibly handy when you're moving between dishes. Keep in mind, Just like the Heleba, this model requires good water pressure to get the most out of the spray functions. Additionally, the pull-out nozzle is made of lightweight materials, so it feels a bit less heavy-duty than the solid brass body. 6. The Hapilife Brushed Nickel Tap, best maintenance-free option. Rounding out our list is the Hapilife Brushed Nickel Tap. Brushed nickel is a classic choice for a reason. It beautifully complements almost any kitchen decor style. Plus, the brush texture completely hides watermarks and fingerprints, keeping your kitchen looking pristine with zero effort. This tap is optimized to work flawlessly, with standard water pressure, between 0.5 and 1 bar. It comes as a complete kit, including flexible connection hoses, a built-in aerator, and an integrated filter to catch impurities. It uses classic dual control levers and long-lasting ceramic valves to ensure a drip-free seal. Keep in mind, it requires a relatively large flat surface area around the mounting hole to sit completely flush, so it might not be the best fit for very tight or ultra-compact sinks. And there you have it, the top 6 kitchen faucets on the market right now to fit any style, setup, or budget. Which one of these would look best in your kitchen? Let me know down in the comments below. If you have any questions about installations or compatibility, drop them down there too and I'll answer as many as possible. While you're at it, let us know what household gear or upgrades you want us to review next. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you're always the first to see our newest videos. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.